All stories, all content should have a purpose. It should never be just creating something for the sake of creating something. Hey, Walt, I need a video. Why? Hey, Walt, I need an article. Why? What's the purpose? Why am I creating this? If it's just for the sake of creating it, well, I can just go ahead and create something, but how do I know that there's any return on what I just did? You really want to work backwards from that goal. Not, I need. It's, here's what we're trying to achieve, okay? You figure it out, but this is what I would like to have happen. In the next 60 days, this is the goal that I would like to see happen. And now it's my job as a content creator to create videos, articles, podcasts, photography, print, billboards, whatever it is, that in 60 days, we are going to achieve that end goal. Without that goal, I'm just creating a bunch of content, and you as the client, you as the boss, you might be getting frustrated because it's like, well, Walt's creating a bunch of great content, but I don't see any return out of it because there's no goal, there's no cohesion. I don't know what I'm going after. When we have a goal, we can craft the stories, the print, the photography to take the audience on a journey with your brand that achieves that goal. What's a great example? Coco, the movie Coco from Pixar. If you've never seen it, I can almost guarantee you are going to cry at the end of the film when Miguel sings to his grandmother. Why? Pixar set us up for the entire film for that one moment. If you go back and you watch the film, you'll understand why. Or if you think about it, you'll understand why. But they've taken that entire film, whether intentionally or not. I don't know a soul who doesn't cry when he sings to his grandmother because everything was set up for that moment. And it's the same with your content. Whatever it is you want your content to do, whatever you want your brand story to do, you have to clearly communicate that with the content creators so they can develop a social media strategy, they can develop a print strategy, a billboard strategy, a website strategy, whatever it is to achieve that goal. So make sure your story, your content has a purpose.